Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to create a sign-up system. So this is a continuation of the previous video on multi-login system. So to do that, we go to the Visual Basic editor. And to go to the Visual Basic editor, you click on Developer tab, then Visual Basic. Alternatively, you can press on Alt F11. So in the Visual Basic editor, I've already created the user form. So this user form 2 is the one we used, or the one I used in our multi-login system. So let me remove this. That is module 1. So then in this login system, we are going to add another command button here. So that is when you click it, so it activate the sign up user form. So let me create the button here, and then we rename it to sign up. So then we can write a command on the same. So this code is the one I used in the other video. So we are not going to change that. So, but we are going to add another code that will activate the sign up user form. So here we shall say that user form 1.show, then the user form for logging will unload, so say unload me, and then we need to show the we need to make the application visible. So but before we do that, let us go to user form 1, so where we need to write some codes. So I have 3 text box. So this is called txt username, so that one. Then this is called txt pass, this is txt confirm, and then this is cmd okay, cmd exit, and this is cmd cancel. I also have 2 checkboxes. So when you click the checkbox, so it will show the password or hide the password. At the same time, this eye will open just like in the previous video, or it will close once you click on the checkbox. So the checkbox is called chk pass, and this one I've renamed it to chk confirm. So the eye here, we have 2 eyes. One is open and the other one is closed. So let me show you the open eye. So this one, so it is open. So then let me return this one on top of the open eye. So that way. And then so this one is called fr confirm closed. That is, there are 2 eyes also there. So one is closed, one is open. So without further ado, let me write codes for the command buttons. So we start with the exit button. So here you can just type end. So that is when you run that user form and you click exit, so it unloads. Then for the cancel button, so we want it to clear the text boxes. So since we shall repeatedly use the same code, so let me write the code here. So that is sub clear box. So then I say dim that is dim CTL as control. Then here we can loop, so we say for each CTL in me dot controls. So me refers to the user form. So here you can type me or you type user form 1. So then we say if type name CTL, so that is the control that is called CTL is the same as text box. Then CTL is equal to empty. Then and if next CTL. So then here where we have the cancel command, so you can now call this code that is called clear box. So that is called clear box. So let us test that. So we run. So before we run that one, let us check whether the password character is there. So that is here where we have password. When you type, this is the symbol that will appear, that is the asterisk. The same with confirm. So you can see that is we have the password character, so this one. So let us run that one and we see. So run that. So type anything there, so that way and so on. So the checkbox right now, they are not active because we have not written the code for that. Also the OK button is not active. The exit is active. So now the cancel button is supposed to be active. So it will clear whatever is in these text boxes. So let us click. So they clear. So let us go back. And now we code for the check boxes here. So double click there. And then you say that is if txt username dot text is equal to empty, then we need a message box. So message box, you have not entered the username. I mean that is the this is supposed to be txt password, because that is for password, txt pass. So you have not entered the password. So that is, it is controlling this text box, so that is for password. So then we say else if checkbox pass dot value is equal to true, or that is to false, then me dot fr, so that is fr password closed, so this is the I now, dot width is equal to 19. So 19 is the width of this picture frame, the picture frame of the eye. So you can check here. So the size is 19, so that is, we have said 19. So then we continue. So then we have the open eye, so I copy that one, and then so the open one is called fr pass open is equal to 0. So we also need to put the password character, so that is txt pass dot text, I mean dot password character is equal to double quotes, so then asterisk, then close the double quotes, so that way. So let us test that code and we see. So we need to put here and if. So let us run that. So I'm not going to type anything so that we can see. So you can see the message box, you have not entered the password. So then let us enter anything there. Then we check whether it will show. So it is not showing, so let us go back. So that is if txt.password character is equal to that. So then, so we need to continue coding. So where we copy this and so else if so this one is empty, that is, there is no password character, so the width here now is 0 and this one should be 19. So then let us run that. So click here, so it tells you have not entered. So what if we enter something? So click, so again it is not showing, so we need to go back. So here we have not changed the word false to true. So if it is true, so what happens? So let us run there and we enter something here, then click the checkbox. So the eye opens and the password is shown. So once you click again, so the password is hidden. So the same code we shall apply in this text box. That is the confirm text box. So we click on check confirm, then we simply copy this code, then paste it here. So where you have pass, you change it to confirm. So to do that, we can select everything there, then Control H, you type the word pass, and replace with confirm. So let us see, we replace one by one. So that way. So then let us run that one and we see. So click here. So that is, there is a repeated thing here. So this is supposed to be password character. Also here, password character. So we run that. And then click. So you have not entered the confirm password. So that is, let us type something there. So it shows, and then it is hidden, and so on. So here, so the message box is supposed to read confirm password. So let us run it again, and we see that. So click. So that one is okay. So even that one is okay. So then let us type some things here. So like, for example, one of the passwords shown in the worksheet. So we type the username, then the password, and then you confirm the password. So let us click here to show, and then here. So once you confirm the password, you're supposed to click OK to enter. So the OK button right now is not active. So I will code that one in my next video. So thank you for watching my video, and see you in my part 2 of the sign up system. That is this particular video. We shall continue in the next part. So see you, and please subscribe to my video.